Hello guys and welcome back to another crypto update. So let's dive into Bitcoin chart. As I told you yesterday, I was not convinced at all about that bounce. For me, it was nothing. The bearish sentiment was still there. And as you can see, we are back on the 30k, 30.5k. So what is happening on the smaller time frames? On the 15-minute chart, and see on the 1 hour chart, we can clearly see we have right now a symmetrical triangle, which is a continuation pattern. So the target for this pattern, and it is more likely to break down rather than to the upside because it is a continuation pattern. Its target is about 27.7k. So right now on the 15-minute time frame, I'm trading its range. Okay, as you can see, we are about $5 in profit. So after that, or I already have the alarm here below it because I am waiting to short it. I'm just playing it in the range for now, but I eventually will short the trade, the pattern, because 99% is going back down and break to the downside. Something in confluence with the weekly chart, we can see that the bottom or the retest of this channel would be around 26,500 if we are correct, and it is approximately in confluence with the target of this pattern. So that gives me more confidence in my theory that we are in this downward channel and we're gonna hit about this area before maybe what I'm seeing right now is a retest of this channel. Maybe we could capitulate more down because below 27k will hit a lot of stop losses and will liquidate a lot of long trades. So we could just go down to hit that 200 moving average I said yesterday, or we could trade within the range, touching and supporting within this range, maybe go up, retest this channel, which eventually will hold us back down, and eventually going back down to retest that 200 moving average or the top of previous bull top. So for MBOX, it broke to the downside our support trend line, which was holding us quite good in this falling wedge pattern. So for now, I'm not even interested in buying the dip. I'll just wait for it to hit the bottom, when of course Bitcoin hits the bottom, which for me is around 20 to 24k, as I mentioned yesterday, and then we'll hit it hard to lower our investment as much as we can. So an update on our trades. So as you can see, we have our trade opened here, which is the ranging. But I have to say that from about 3 days ago, we've lost about $90 from our all-time high of this account. So we started with $50 about 28th April, so it's been 3 weeks. We've gone to 5.5x, $320, and right now we had a little bit of losing streak and we lost about $90. The problem for these trades was that I failed. I was too zoomed in on the 15 and 5-minute time frame that I did not see this pattern. So I was longing and shorting according to what I see. I saw these channels right here. For example, my last trade yesterday was trading this range, which was a legit pattern, but I failed to zoom out and see that it was actually a symmetrical triangle, which eventually we lost our trade. So that's an update on my trades. Of course, everyone loses, everyone has a losing streak. The important thing is how you move on. You don't leverage your trades to try get all the losses in one trade because you're gonna lose more, you're gonna make mistakes. So that is something that maybe you can relate on. I hope you enjoy and appreciate my transparency here. This is a journey from $50 to $5,000. I'm not aiming to get there in just 1 week. Okay, my target, and tomorrow I plan to start plotting a chart with my with my equity balance. Okay, we'll have a chart to eventually in a few days we'll start to see the profit of our journey. So that's it guys for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the transparency. I want to give you everything, the profits and also the losses. So happy trading and see you tomorrow.